Hi there, I'm here with Level Up RN, and this is your course roadmap. We've got 12 modules for you, 12 easy-to-follow modules that will take you from having little to no computer skills all the way to becoming a computer literate, digitally confident individual. And each step builds on the last, so let's get started. Module 1, Introduction to Computers. This module is all about turning on and off your computer, putting it into sleep mode, shutting it down properly, as well as understanding the different types of computers, laptops, desktops, tablets, smartphones, as well as the different input and output devices like your keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, and so on. Module 2, Mouse Skills. In this module, you'll learn how to move the mouse, how to click and double-click, right-click, how to scroll up and down, as well as how to use the mouse in combination with the keyboard. Module 3, Keyboard Skills. In this module, you'll learn the different keys on the keyboard, such as the function keys, arrow keys, how to use the enter key, escape key, as well as how to type properly using the correct finger placement. Module 4, Basic Windows Skills. In this module, you'll learn how to use the Windows menu, how to use the search bar, how to work with files and folders, how to copy and paste, as well as how to take a screenshot. Module 5, Microsoft Word. In this module, you'll learn how to create a Word document, how to type and edit text, how to change the font, increase or decrease the font size, how to align the text, as well as how to save your work. Module 6, Microsoft Excel. In this module, you'll learn how to create an Excel spreadsheet, how to input data, as well as how to use some basic formulas such as sum, average, max, and min. Module 7, Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, you'll learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation, how to insert a slide, how to add text and images to the slide, as well as how to change the background of the slide. Module 8, Navigating the Web. In this module, you'll learn what is the internet, what is a web browser, how to use the browser to navigate to different websites, how to use search engines like Google, how to fill out online forms, as well as how to do some basic research. Module 9, Email Skills. In this module, you'll learn what is an email, how to create an email address, how to log into your email account, how to compose and send an email, as well as how to manage your inbox. Module 10, Computer Maintenance and Security. In this module, we'll learn what is computer maintenance, why it is important. We'll also learn about computer viruses and how to protect ourselves from them, as well as how to safeguard our personal information online. Module 11, Course Conclusion, Your Digital Future. In this module, you will be assessed on all the skills that you have learned in the previous module. Module 12, The Next Step, Your Journey in Computer Science. In this module, we'll discuss some of the most important key points that you need to know before embarking on your journey into the fascinating world of computer science. So there you go, that is your roadmap to success. All the best and take care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.